Hi, this is Kelly Maida, and I just want to tell you about my new book that I have out. It's a poetry book. It's called The Inner Workings of My Soul. It's 37 pages long, and if you've been following along on here and seeing all the poetry that I've put, it has some of that poetry as well as some of my new poetry. And if you've been enjoying it so far, I think you're really going to love this book. It's basically a poetry compilation of my innermost thoughts. It goes from happiness and love to chaos and sadness with a dash of magic and a touch of madness.